What is up, everyone? I am just getting my life together here as I head to the shop. Today is going to be a good day. We are getting the aluminum pipes back on the charge side of the cold system. On the CRX, we are getting the rad support finished. We are mounting the front tires and something else I don't remember because it's early, but I'm going to be there right away. So let's see what that looks like. Serbian power. All right, and we were off like a bride's skirt. Alright, I just got here and it is gorgeous outside today. It's probably like -10 or something, but it is nice. Serge! What's going on? What are you doing?
We're doing some motor things for an E30.
Nice.
Yeah. We're building this bottom end, and then we're gonna find a good head for it, and then we're gonna make some power.
Cool. Let's do some CRX things.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right. All right, so this is the... We're not sponsored by Pepsi, I promise. This is the aluminum pipe. We got it all glued together there. Ready to go. I gotta put a bead on there yet so we don't blow the charge pipe off, and I gotta put a bead on that one right there. But other than that, getting close. Oh, I guess that one, I missed that one. Damn it. Anyway, this is the Speed Factory rad. Put some little nubs on here. This is actually the bottom of the rad, so it'll be flipped upside down. And then there'll be brackets on this side to hold it nice and secure in place. Gotta get some JIC fittings, start the cooling system. But well on our way anyway. On the menu today, we got shifter things to do, shifter cable things. The rad back in here, finished the rad support and bumper mount. Get the intake back on, got all the charge pipes in. Get this fuel cell probably started maybe. Fuel pump hooked up. There's enough time. Maybe work on the harness later. Lots to do there. We've already started tucking it. Right there. Oh, things to do. Just stacks, no big deal. And the old Mazda here. Oh shit, yeah. Just moving right along here.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice, very nice. Boy?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Like this? Very nice.
Yes, like these.
Oh, if this isn't the sexiest thing I've ever seen. Oh, so good. Today wasn't a grand success. I didn't get everything done on the car I wanted to do. I planned on helping Serge and I didn't. Not a good friend. But Serge actually hauled his own weight and hauled ass. Got quite a bit done on it. Let's take a look under the car and then we'll take a look on top of the car here. Suspension in, there's an axle there, axle in over there, suspension in. Drive shaft is mocked up. And we got traction bar up there, K-tune traction bar. Need to get the drive line figured out yet. We've got the axle in on this side, got to get the axle in on that side yet, but we have the trailing arms all in up here. Both sides, we're cruising along pretty good here. Let's check out the top. So here's the top view, here's where we're at. Cruising along pretty nice. We deleted the booster and made room for the wastegates and the downpipe over here. We did end up managing to go with the manifold. Thank you, baby Jesus. We just have to get an adapter for the other drive-by cable throttle body. We've started building the, this will be the rad support, as you can see back here. And then there was those two nubs I showed this morning on either side. So this will be our, to hold the radiator in place. And then there's another bracket that comes off and actually holds the front bumper in place. So overall, it's coming along pretty nice. That's our to-do list. A little ways to go yet. And it's still, this is all the mock-up still, right? I mean, haven't started final fitment, but that's that. So as the wise man once said, like and subscribe to this shit because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out as I go along, but I want to build more of this stuff. And I still want to build the LS budget, and you guys just got to let me know what you want to do and what platform. I'm curious, but I want to build it. Again, SN95, Z28, IROC, 240, E30, E35, E36, I don't care. Let me know. That's it. Keep fit and have fun.